Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
But when I thought that Prime Minister is coming to give him respect, we cut short our program. First we went to Hingolganj, then we went to Sagor. Then even Sagor also, you should know it. Some people are saying that why Chief Minister didn't receive Prime Minister. There is no need that every time Prime Minister, Chief Minister is to receive. There are some political program also sometimes. But whose fault it is? When we went to Sagor, you can ask the local reporters, the administration and ATC control. We have got the information that we have to wait 20 minutes there. Because Prime Minister helicopter will be landing there, and after we'll get the permission. Though they were aware that regarding our coming and going, the time schedule, we asked permission from before. And when we got information that after 20 minutes, the start, take off. Then we waited on the road in front of helipad. And we waited 20 minutes for that reason. And even when we are on the sky, it may be for security reason, we don't mind for that, we don't have any objection. Then also we move about 10-15 minutes. That we don't mind because it depends on security, Prime Minister's security, we give priority to that. Then we reach there. When we reach there, we have seen that Prime Minister already reached there. So we said that when Prime Minister already reached there, we have to go to Digha and we are coming from too far. It is only because of Prime Minister to give him respect. We thought it is our duty to meet and after cyclone to submit our report. Then myself along with Chief Secretary Alapon Bandyopadhyay, he was travelling with me from the beginning. And it is not that first time I told him to visit with me because he is the head of the administration, so that he can have a look whatever happened there. So when we reached there, then they said us, you sit in a room. We are sitting there. After 10-15 minutes, we asked that please allow us to meet Prime Minister 1 minute. Vivek Sohay, our Chief of Security Director, he asked SPG that please tell Prime Minister, convey this, that CM wants to meet him only 1 minute to hand over the report of the cyclone. She will not disturb. Then they said SPG, 1 hour का बाद बोलिए, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.